My name is Kris Grant. I'm the founder of Kris Grant Architect and the designer of Rescobie Pavilion. Rescobie Pavilion is a hillside garden room in rural Scotland overlooking a loch, designed for a family so they can live life outdoors, sheltered from the Scottish elements. It's characterised by a stone base on which sits an expressive steel frame. It's galvanised so that we can expose the frame externally, so the elevation can be alive with sliding doors and a broad cantilevered balcony, so the building can open up to the outside and meals can be enjoyed outdoors. Given the exposed nature of the site, it was really important we obtained longevity in the lifespan of the steel frame. So we went for a duplex arrangement, so the galvanizing gives us 80 plus years of lifespan, and the secondary coating, which is a Hempel product, extends that to beyond 100 years and gives us the aesthetics, a tinted finish, so the steelwork sits comfortably in the rural environment. So the benefit to us, myself and the clients, using steel in this project was very clever material. It's very thin, and so it means a very elegant structure, but it's also very strong. So we could use cantilevering out from a shallow base to branch out, support a roof structure, overhanging roof, and a broad balcony. We also used it as galvanised mesh panels, and so there's a lot of transparency between the building and the garden, so to interact very easily. It's important to us that the building could be reused, or the parts were reused ultimately in the future. So what we did was design all bolted connections. So the building reaches the end of its lifespan, the parts can be unbolted and reused. And I'm doing something very similar currently, an extension in Edinburgh. We're using old steels to form new openings in an existing building before building a new extension. I think galvanising is quite important in the Scottish environment because the weather is quite punishing sometimes, and so rely on it to give us the assuredness to use steelwork outside. So I've used certainly galvanised a lot in the past for exposed balcony work and steelwork, where we quite like the matte grain of the galvanising process. It gives its own characteristics to the steel when it's used externally, and so every use gets its own slight personality to it.